Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have a non-SMS option available and working, because once you stop texting as SMS, you'll rely on data. Back up any conversations you need, then open Settings and find Messages or your default SMS app. Once there, turn off the toggle labeled Send as SMS or disable text messaging completely. This prevents automatic fallback when data is unavailable. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is enabled, so your messages can still send over the internet. Next, you replace SMS with a data-based messenger and configure enhanced messaging on Android. Install your chosen app and set it as the default for messaging where the OS allows, or sign in so contacts sync. On Android, open Messages settings, chat features, and enable RCS to get rich, internet-based delivery. Make sure your carrier and number are verified. Once done, disable carrier SMS notifications so you won't be alerted to traditional text threads, and test by sending a message. To finish, perform a few test messages to different contacts and networks to confirm messages go via data rather than SMS. If any message still sends as text, check the Send as SMS toggle, app permissions, and whether the recipient lacks a data-based app. As a key troubleshooting tip, if things go wrong, cycle airplane mode on and off, reconnect Wi-Fi or mobile data, and if needed, reinstall or update the messaging app. That usually clears fallback or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.